Okay, mathematicians, it is time to go over our puzzler from last week. So if you don't remember, here it is. Tony was checking a bill recently, but there was an issue with the bill. There were charges of $12.33, $14.99, $36.88, and another amount that got smeared when she spilled her coffee on the bill. That was the issue. If the total bill is $67.15, can she figure out what the smeared number was? How much was it? Explain. So over here's a little picture that I made. And you can see the three amounts, and then this is where the coffee spilled. And there was a number there, but it got wiped away. You still see what the total is, though. So the question is, can you figure out what that missing number is? And the answer is yes, you can. Now, hidden behind my Starbucks picture here are two answers, and we'll look at each of the answers. So the first answer right here was brought to us by Achilles. And he said the missing number is $4.05, because if you add $12.33, $14.99, $36.88, you get $63.10. Then you add $4.05 to get the missing number. So we're going to pull out the calculator. There it is. Why don't I get it on the screen? And we're going to check. So we'll do $12.33 plus $14.99 plus $36.88. And that takes us to $64.20 is what that would actually be. Now he said if we added $4.05, we would get to $67.15. Whoops. Looks like we had a slight miscalculation. So this one is not quite right. Let's take a look at the next one. This is Lola's work. She said the answer is $2.95. Because if you add $12.33 and $14.99 and $36.88, you'll get $64.20. Now this is interesting because you did something differently than Achilles did. Then you subtract $67.15. Remember that was the total over here. And you subtract the $64.20, which was the total of those three numbers. And you get $2.95. And that is why the answer is $2.95, she says. So we'll check her work, make sure she did everything right. Now, I remember $12.33 plus $14.99 plus $36.88 is $64.20. So I'm going to clear my calculator, write down $64.20, of course, then clear my calculator. Write down $67.15 and then subtract Lola's $64.20. And sure enough, I get $2.95. Now, in order to check that, what I could do is I could add $2.95 to this other set of numbers, and that should make the total. So if I add $2.95 plus $64.20, I should get $67.15, and I do. So, congratulations to Lola. She was one of many correct answers to the puzzler this week. Good try, Achilles. You did a couple steps correctly. I'm not sure how you got $4.05. Maybe if you want to let me know how you did it, that would help, and we could talk about it. Or maybe you've already figured it out. But good attempt by everyone who did it. And we have our new puzzler that will actually be available to you tomorrow. And I'm looking forward to reading the answers and hearing your thinking on those. All right, good work, and see you later.